This is so good. Let me show you how to make it. I'm going to be using everything you see here. Just take a screenshot. A healthier option is to go with this gluten-free chickpea pasta. So this has so much more fiber and plant-based protein per serving. So that's another great option. This pasta has to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. I usually shoot for about 8, and it usually tastes pretty good. So I'm going to set the timer for 8. I'm going to be using these Impossible chicken nuggets. They taste so good in the air fryer. I swear to you, they taste like I'm eating a chicken nugget, but they're not. I'm trying to cut down on meat, so that is why I'm eating this. There's 13 grams of protein, 60% less fat, and no cholesterol. So, love this stuff. I don't feel like making my own sauce, so instead I'm going to be using this bottle that says homemade, so homemade Alfredo sauce. It's quick and easy. I'm using 4 tablespoons of it. I don't want to use a full cup. So that's my way of cutting corners with the calories on this. It tastes so good though, so I have no regrets. So if I'm going to cheat, I'm going to cheat using this amazing sauce. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about a minute, and then later I'll do for 30 more seconds once everything is prepared. I love this meal. It only takes about, maybe 10, 15 minutes if you count the prep time involved. So like boiling the water, turning the air fryer on. Really, there's not a lot of effort to it, and it's not super expensive. So I think this is a win. I also think that this is really good for meal prepping. Like, this is a really good meal prep. Maybe I would use the other noodles though. This pasta is delicious. It tastes just like regular pasta, but it has healthy benefits to it. So I don't know if you guys know about quinoa, but it's really, really healthy. So go grab a bag. Okay, so I'm just pouring the noodles right into that Alfredo bowl that I just used. This is so delicious. I just make sure I spread all the Alfredo sauce around really well. Okay, we are almost done with this meal. Next, you're going to take your crispy chickenless chicken nuggets and take a pair of scissors, because I think this is so much easier than cutting them with a knife. But just start cutting them. I like putting them in little bite-sized pieces like this, so like little strips. It makes it where the Alfredo sauce is going to get onto the chicken a little bit easier, so it's not as dry. And it just tastes really good like this. Just try it and see if you like it. Also, if you don't have a pair of shears for your kitchen, I highly recommend getting them. They really cut down on a lot of time. Okay, so last step is grab your Parmesan cheese and just, sprinkle some on there as much as you want. If you want to sprinkle a lot, just, do it. Put a lot on there. Okay, so it's pretty much ready. I feel like you can't see it very well. Let me throw it onto a plate. Maybe you can, you can definitely see it better. So this is what it looks like. If you want to throw some hot sauce on, do that. But it's delicious. Okay, so this is the best part of making this video, is actually eating the food from it. So this is so good. Delicious.